So guys, if I'm going to tell you that you can earn $100 by just selling one photograph, okay, by just selling one photograph, and you are getting $100, what could you say? And by selling a photograph, you do not need to be a photographer, or by just copy pasting this thing and you are getting good amount of payment. What could you say, guys? Just follow along this video and I'll tell you step by step how you can yourself win this competition and earn a good amount of money. And not only this competition, guys, you can even earn by just uploading some small photographs in this website. Just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you can yourself earn a good amount of money by working at home. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just selling your photographs. Yes guys, you are in the daily life, you are just clicking your photographs, and you know what, you are just saving on some drives in your laptops, in your mobile phones. But do you know that by selling your own photographs, by your own personal photographs, you can earn money online? And it's not small amount of money, but you can earn a good amount of money, $100, $200, by just selling your photographs. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you yourself can do the same by just following some simple steps. And don't worry guys, this is not a fake website, because the companies, you can see guys, Snapchat, Google, TripAdvisor, Pinterest, Harvard and NBC are one of the reputed Fortune 500 companies, okay, who are partners with this website. What it actually means, guys, first I should tell you that biggest companies, for their products to be launched, they want some photographs for their customers. Okay, so they come up in this website and they are doing shopping. Okay, I'll tell you guys, if you do not have a photograph, best photograph I should say that, don't worry, because in this website I'll show you step by step how you yourself earn, copy paste the others photographs which is non-copyright photographs, and you can earn money online absolutely free of cost. Okay, just follow along this video and I'll show you how you can earn money. So in this the description of this website is in my description box. You can go and click and reach to this website. Okay, and the rest all websites I have mentioned in the description box. Okay, so what you need to do guys, I just click on this sell photographs. Okay, and if you want to sell guys, you need to first sign up for free. Okay, so for that I just need to enter my email ID and your password. Okay, and just click on sign up for free. Okay guys, so guys, before you dive deep into, you should have 3 of your photographs. You can choose any of your photographs, don't worry, I just show you how you can do it. Just select your photographs. Okay, I just show you how to do it quickly. Okay, I am having a certain set of photographs. Okay, so I just select this photograph and this photograph and press OK. Okay, and just upload it. So it will take some time guys, depends upon your internet speed. Okay, it will take some time, and your whole process is going forth. Okay, so guys, this is for giving you more understanding of this website. So biggest companies are actually gonna give you good amount of money if your photographs are really good, if you are have a good type of traveling experience. Okay, so you can do it on your own. Okay, you just need to click some photographs while you are traveling every day, your own selfies, you can do it. Okay, and it's easy step. Okay guys, I've just selected it, and reserve your @username, so you can create your own username. Okay, so this website have generated your own username and you can choose your own. Okay, just click on this reserve and submit, and you can see guys, you are in the dashboard and you are good to go. Okay, so how I can earn money? So just wait a second guys. If I just click on this photograph guys, you can see guys, this website which the photo that I have uploaded, it is automatically is having its watermark. So 2020, what it will do, it will automatically select its watermark. If you want to download it, if I just click on this and download it, you can see guys, so I have to pay, you can see that monthly subscription. So 50% this website will take and 50% you are going to get. Okay, so this is a whole procedure how you can do it. Okay, so these are the two photographs, and you can add more photographs while clicking on this button. You can see guys, add photos. Okay, just click on this thing and you can add lots of photos. Okay, I just show you another photo. Okay, I just click on this and you can see guys, my photo is uploaded. Okay, and just click on this upload and it will automatically do its job. Okay, you can see guys, it is actually working. So 50% guys, it's a good I should, in my recommendation, if your photo is selected, if you are from a photograph background, then you should spend your time. So don't worry guys, if you are not from photography background, I'll show you step by step how you can do yourself while knowing nothing about photography and all, how you can do it legally, a good amount of do your job in a right way, in a right fashion. You can see guys, my photo is successfully uploaded, and you can see guys. Okay, so you can add guys some keywords and captions as well. Okay, you can give a description about this so that this will help in searching the results more fast. You can tell about girl. Okay, just give some keywords. Okay, you can add some captions as well. Hashtag traveling, you can see that travel and tourism. Okay, so guys, why these captions are important, and you might have a question that, so why I should have upload my photograph, do it actually works? Yes guys, you know that every day a startup is appearing, growing very fast, so they want copyright free materials, so they come up in this website. Okay, and you are giving them provide them the copyright material. If someone opens a startup of travels and tourism, so they are showing their customers this photograph, so they actually want to buy these things, so you are getting paid of what you are giving them. Okay guys, as simple as it is. Okay, you can see guys, you just do some keywords. Okay, just do some other things. You can even replace your photo if you are by default want to change your photograph. Okay, if there is some pixel resolution is missing, so you can enhance its pixel intensity and you can replace it, and you can also delete it. Okay, so this is the whole procedure that it will work. Okay guys, so I just come up in this in my profile section guys. Okay, I just come up in my profile section, and you can see guys. Okay, right now I have a 0 amount of followers guys, so I'll show you how you can yourself increase your followers guys. Just do spend some time on Facebook, on Instagram. Okay, And if you are a blogger, if you are a traveler, just type that these are certain photographs if you want to buy and do some deals. Don't worry guys, by the way, this website will do doing its job. You do not have to do anything. You just need to upload these things and you are getting free. Okay, if you are want to do some recommendations as well, that's why I'm telling you, you can upload it on Facebook, Instagram and various kind of sites, so that your material, your followers are increasing day by day. Okay, so I just come up in this settings option guys. Okay, I just come up in this settings option and I just show you that how you receive your payment. Okay guys, how you yourself receive a payment. So just click on this edit button and you just need to enter your PayPal email ID. Okay, and just wanna save it, and automatically guys, you do not have to do anything guys. You just want to register your email ID, and guys, automatic money transfer is in your website. Okay guys, so what I have did, I just upload some set of photographs. Okay, I just register my PayPal account. And guys, if you do not have a PayPal account, just write down in the comment section. I'll show you step by step how you can create your own PayPal account, and it will help you eventually to doing so. So automatically guys, you do not have to check the sales day by day. Okay, this website will do automatically for you. Okay, you do not have to worry about such things. You can change your photograph as well guys. Okay, I just show you how you can change your own photograph. Okay, I just show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, so it's too big, so create a photograph which is of less size, less pixel intensity. Okay, so you can see guys, if I'm having this, so it should be less than 1 MB. So I don't have such photograph. I should say that you can click from your photograph. Okay, you can click from your mobile phone and just upload it. So I don't have less than 1 MB photograph within me, so you can do yourself and add a biopic guys. Okay, I'm a professional photographer. Okay, just write it down. They don't want you to have these kind of things. Okay, they don't recheck these things that you are actually a professional. So you can write, I am a professional photographer. Okay, you can just write it down and save it. Okay, just simple steps guys, you need to follow it, because this here it comes when it's professional. You can ask your friends to write a good biopic for you as a photographer, and they can do it for you. Okay, you can just click on this add photograph and you can add. So one more other way that I can show you guys how you can earn money online, by just conducting some surveys guys. Okay, how you can do some collections and all. I just show you some challenges that you can do it. Okay guys, so that you can you just come up in this 3 dot buttons guys. Okay, just click on this thing and just click on the challenges. Okay, just click on this challenges, and you can see guys, there are lots and lots of, and you can earn $100 guys, $200 and $100, $100 and $150 and $100 by just sending your photographs to this to these individual competitions. And guys, I just do recommend you, because this site is having less traffic. I just wanna tell you that just have some spend some time on this website and just try to upload your own photographs. Okay, and don't worry, I'll show you step by step how you can do it on your own. Okay, if I just click on this guys, one of the challenge, if I just click on this eating healthy. Okay, this is a challenge guys. So what why this challenge guys? There are lots and lots of companies who want photographs. Okay, if they like their photograph, okay, someone wants to submit a photograph. Okay, if I want to submit a photograph, okay, so I can select it from my collection, or I can add a new photograph. Okay, just click on this want to send a photograph, and just click on this add a new photograph, and you can select a photograph which is healthy. You can see guys how people are actually giving their, you can see the inspirational images, that how it actually works. Okay, you can sell it, and I'll show you how you can do it guys. Okay, so I just come up in this another website guys, which is known as pixabay.com. so the guys, it's a website, okay, where you can get copyright free photographs free of cost. Okay, if I just type in eating healthy, okay, just click on this, copy this thing and just paste it down. Okay, if I just paste it down, okay, if I just paste it down and just click on the enter button, and you can see guys, there are lots of pics which is eating healthy, related to eating healthy. There are hundreds and hundreds of pics, high resolution pics. Do some research, download it and just upload it. Okay, I'll show you a sample how you can do it. Let us suppose guys, I can take this thing. Okay, this is a photograph. Just click on this free download. Okay, just click on this free download, and eventually it is downloading it. Okay guys, so you can see guys, free for commercial use and no attributions required. Okay, you can download freely, and just click on this download button, and just click on I'm not a robot, and just fill up this captcha so that it will verify you, and just click on the download, and you can see guys, within some seconds, within few seconds, you can see I am having this photograph, and just click on this add new button, and I just upload these this is my photograph. Okay, it should be less than 1 MB. Okay guys, I need to compress this image. Okay, I just click on this download button, and you can see guys, you can manage your pixel, you can see guys, pixels from this. Okay, if it is of less than MB, just click on this 60:426, just click on this download, and now I have downloaded another, and just click on this thing, and you can see guys what its name is guys. Wait a second, I guess this is, no, it's not this. So you can see guys, I have tried another website, another picture. Okay, because there is some issue with this photograph. Okay, it is actually of high intensity. Don't worry, you can try out different picture. So I have taken this healthy, okay, healthy eating healthy. I have just taken this photograph, and you can see guys, it is uploading. Okay, so one more website I just show you guys, it's Unsplash. Okay, where you can also do and have a look. Just type this eating healthy, okay, and just have a look on certain photographs of eating healthy. You can see guys, there are lots and lots of pictures. Okay, you can see there are this picture, and guys, have a research on these kind of things. If you're, you just need to search some healthy pictures which could be liked by this. You can see guys, I have successfully uploaded it. Okay, and my entry is there. Okay guys, so if I win this competition, okay, I get $100 by just sending a photograph. You can see guys, it's absolutely free of cost. Not even a single penny from my pocket is gonna be spent on this thing. Every single day it is having its own competition. You can create multiple accounts on this website and just post it. Okay, tell your family members to have account. It might happen that guys, their photographs are selected, okay, rather than yours, or if yours are selected rather than them. Okay, so do have a look on these things. Have a set of 5 to 6 email address, and just make the account, and you can earn a good amount of money. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video guys. Okay, just please like and subscribe to my channel guys, so that there is always a motivation to give you best content. Okay, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best investment strategies as well. Okay, and you can get a notification of my video every single day. Just click on the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much guys.